Good morning. Isn't it everybody's dream to be a comic book character? Today we're going to do a little app smashing. Show you how to make comic book characters using an app on a phone called Clip2Comic. Put it together with Book Creator. You, your students, your dog can become your own comic book character. Stay tuned. So the first thing we're going to take a look at is the actual app. So on my phone here we have Clip2Comic is the actual app. It's a free app from the Apple Store. And when we open this app, you are able to look at anything in your current phone's library that you can turn into a character comic image. You can take a new photo or you can take a new video. You can also change which camera you're looking at. You can turn your flash on and off depending on what you need. And if you swipe left or right, there is a series of filters that you can go through. So this first filter is just kind of so we have portrait filter, black and white, cartoon, which is the one I was using, realistic filter, abstract, a sketch, and then landscape. So those are the filters you can put over top of to kind of change your image depending on how you would like your comic book or your characters to come out. The same thing applies to video. So that is how easy it is to do the Clip2Comic, either from your existing library, from a new photo, or a new video. The second half of our app smash deals with the Book Creator, which is either an app or you can access it online. Just bookcreator.com. So we're going to sign in. Book Creator lets kids create books. You can embed media, you can embed video, audio. There's a ton of things that you can do within Book Creator, but we're just going to take a look at how to make our comic book. So here is the comic book that I began on using the comic book clip and adding it in. So you can flip through the book by just hitting the next button. You can jump to all the pages of the book, and you can add pages. So we're going to flip through the story. I have one more page to add so you can see how that works. So Everyone Loves to Play. It's a book about my dog. So I use the Comic Clip app to transfer pictures into comics. And quick and easy, drop in photos, add captions, add think bubbles. And you can set it up as either a regular book or a comic book, so they don't have to all be comics, but this one is comic built. And after this scene here, I want to add one more. So I'm going to add a page. I'm going to add some panels to the page because it's a comic book. And we're going to go with one final scene. So we're going to add media. Now you can add in videos, you can add in audio. There's the last one I need. It'll auto kind of zoom in on a photo. So this is going to be our final image. And the I button will let you change the page layout itself, colors, borders, textures. But I need to add some text. You can add, title, the big booms, regular text, or a final caption. And we're just going to say, is it tomorrow yet? Hit done. Now that drops in. I can go back. Now this is highlighted to the eye, and now I'm looking at all the effects I can do with the text. You can change the size, you can change the color, you can add a shadow to the text, you can change the font. We're gonna bump this up a little bit. And there we go. As easy it is to quickly throw together a page. Now, if I wanted to, I could come in and under media, kids can actually hit record, and so they can record themselves reading the book. If you want to see what the book looks like at the end, you hit the play button, and you can flip through the book that the kids have just created. Now it will read it to the students, or again, they can record their own voice in the comic book. It can be shared, you can publish it online, it gets downloaded as an ebook, or you can print it off as a PDF file. Alright, so that's the app smash of Clip2Comic mixed with Book Creator to create new books by students. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you on the next one.